Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to be here with you. Kindly like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the comment section. It helps my channel to grow. So, today we want to look into combining files in a folder in Power BI using Power Query. We know that Power Query is very versatile and its approach is also very efficient, especially when we are dealing with large volumes of data across multiple files. This particular method we want to use is it leverage on the capacity of Power Query, the data transformation engine within Power BI. It seamlessly merge data from different sources or various source, a folder or whatever source you're getting it from, into a unified data set. So let's dive deeper into the process. To do that, let's go first to our desktop and let's extract the file because it's a zipped file. So this is the file. I will right click on it and say extract all. So let me browse. I want to extract on my desktop. I'll click on select folder and I'll say extract. So I have it here. So let's open the file. So now we want to pile up July, August, October, September. But I want us to do something. Instead of piling everything together, we want to do a process whereby we're going to pile up July, August, and September. We're going to take October out. After the cleaning and everything, we are going to add October back to what? The folder and refresh. This process is good for, just imagine you working in an organization and this is your work to pile their files or combine files. So you don't always have to go every time you need to put a file to do the cleaning. Once you've done the first cleaning, for every file you attach back to this folder, you just need to refresh. And every process you've taken in that first cleaning will automatically take place in this. So let's take October and put on our desktop. So we don't have October here. So let's go in back to our Power BI. So let's bring in the folder. Go to get data, go down to more. On more, click on folder, click connect. So it's asking you folder path, meaning where is this folder what located? Click on browse. It's in our desktop, yes. So it's already elected and it's append and merge class 1. So I'll click this and say okay. So it's showing us already that this is what we want to work with. So we just click what? Okay. Okay, now we see we have August, July, September. So we have a lot of options. We have load, we have transform, we have cancel. And right here, we have combine and transform data. Now, if you're sure that your data is clean, you just go to combine and load. But this data is dirty, so we are going to click on combine and transform data because we're taking it into where the Power Query editor. So it's loading here. So let's click on this data, and this is our file. So we just click what? Okay. It's loading. Let's just, so now, funny enough, we can't see our file here, but when you click here, you see that it's loading in the background, as you can see. When you click up here, it might not show here, but just come down here and it's here. So you just pick it up from here. So let's start with our transformation. Now, this source name shows us that We have to confirm here if truly all our folders are merged or combined together. So we have it here, August, July, and September. Now we are sure we have all our files here. So let's start our basic transformation. Now we don't need the source name. Column 1 is empty, no values, and column 2 is also empty, no values. So let's delete it. Click on source name, hold your shift down and click on the rest of them. Right click and say remove columns. So next, we don't need this first 4 columns. No values, patient log, we don't need them. So what do? We are going to remove the first top rows, 4 of them. So remove top rows and you click on 4 and say okay. So we have this. Next, we see that our column headers don't have names. We have column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7, and so on. So what do? We use first row as what? Headers. So we have this here. Okay, now let's go down and see what we have here. You see, we still have some null values down there. So what to do? So now come down to this filter up here. We are going to uncheck the null values. Next, let's go down. We are going to uncheck NHS ID. We are going to uncheck patient log because they are not needed. Okay. So we're left with 7 columns, 233 rows. Next, we know this NHA ID is our primary key and we know what a primary key is. And our primary key has to be what? In text. Click on this and change to what? Text. Okay, next we have our first name. Okay, the data type is also correct. Now we have our date and we see it's undefined. So we have to define our data type for our date column. Click on ABC123 and change to what? Date. We have payments, payment status and diagnosis. So you might feel free to delete this if you feel it's not important. But I feel it's also an important column because this is diagnosis telling you exactly what is wrong with the patient. So I think it's an important document for us to keep. So there we go. We are through with the basic cleaning for this. We are through with it. What to do now? We are going to close and apply. So it can be loaded into our Power Query canvas. Yes. Loading here. So we see we have 233 rows over there. So let's go to our table view. Click on this. And let's confirm the dates we have. And we see we have July, we have August, and we have September. So now we want to start the process of putting another file that is not clean into this file and refreshing it. So every process that we've taken on our Power Query editor for the first cleaning, whatever folder or file we put in, whatever file we put into the folder, it automatically what cleans it. So let's go back to our desktop, and this is our file. So let's copy October and take it to open our file, append and merge, and let's paste it here. So we have October here. So let's do this. Let's go back to the Power Query, go to Home and refresh. Now we have 233 rows before and now we have 300 rows. So let's confirm that we actually have everything here. We can see July here, we can see August, we can see September, and lastly, we can see October. So when you have issue combining your data, do it this way and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the class. Have a blessed day and see you next time. Bye.